Hey guys, here again, Pigeon Guy. Again, an update on the birds. Look at it. Amazing red grizzle. And the sibling is a blue bar. It's a light chick. And that is a mealy, a red. Look at the poop, guys. A little bit dark because the correct stuff I give makes this system clean. But anyways, yeah. Look at the poop. Great birds, man. It's just done. I leave a lot of food here because I go to work and I come right back. So yeah. And the other thing is they have food 24/7. Yeah. I just change the water every 3 days. That's all I do. But anyways, guys, thanks for always watching my videos. And hope you guys have a great one.